Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Assalamu alaikum. It has been raining here for so long now, so I thought of making something yummy. So I'm making chicken and potato buns. For this, here I have taken 2 cups of flour or maida, 1/4 cup of oil, 2 tablespoons of yeast, 3/4 cup of milk, 1 egg, 1/4 teaspoon of baking powder and salt to taste. Now here in this flour I will add all these ingredients: yeast, Bismillahirrahmanirrahim, baking powder and salt, Bismillahirrahmanirrahim, egg, Bismillahirrahmanirrahim, oil, Bismillahirrahmanirrahim, and lastly I will add in milk, Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. And now I will mix it. Here I have kneaded the dough. I have not added a single drop of water. I have added only milk, oil and egg. These 3 liquids were enough for this 2 cups of flour. Now I will leave this to rise, Bismillahirrahmanirrahim, for 1 to 2 hours. Now here I have to make a filling for the buns, and I have taken 2 potatoes. They are boiled and mashed. 1 cup of chicken. This is boiled and shredded. While boiling, I have not added salt, any ginger, garlic. This is simply plain boiled. 3 tablespoons of coriander leaves, 1 tablespoon of black pepper, half teaspoon of chili powder and salt to taste. Now here I will mix all these filling ingredients together. Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. First I am adding chicken, coriander leaves, and then all the spices. Now I will mix them. Now filling is ready here, and now here after 1.5 hours. I told you I'll keep this for 1 hour, but I left it for 1.5 hours. See, dough has rised, and now I will divide the dough into balls. Now here I have divided the dough into 9 balls, and here I have rolled out 1 ball into a roti, and now I will keep this filling in the center, Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. And now I will gather all the these edges together to make a round bun. Here I have made 1 bun. Similarly, I will make all the buns. Now buns are ready, and now I will arrange them on the greased baking sheet. Yeah, Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. And now here I have taken 1 egg beaten. I'll brush the egg on all the buns, Bismillahirrahmanirrahim, like this. And here I have taken 1 tablespoon of nigella seeds or kalonji and 1 tablespoon of sesame seeds. Now I'll sprinkle both the sesame seeds on the top of the bun and nigella. Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Similarly, I'll egg wash on all the buns and sprinkle both the nigella and sesame seeds. Now I have Brush all the buns with the egg wash and sprinkle both the nigella and sesame seeds, and now they are ready to go in the oven. My oven is preheated at 180 degree Celsius, and now I will bake these buns for 15 to 20 minutes or till they are done. After 20 minutes I have taken out the buns from the oven, and see, they are nicely golden in color and they are done. Here I have cut one bun just to show you the inside look of the bun, and this is done. Chicken and potato buns are ready to be served. I hope you like this video. See you soon in my next video, inshallah. Till then, fi amanullah, take care and Allah Hafiz.